Guys, good evening. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials. As you all know, my name is Dr. Joseph. Please, as you are watching this video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In today's video, we shall be looking at one of the striking topics in the world of biology. And one of these topics is cell division, and most students find it difficult to really understand the nitty-gritty behind this topic. So I've been able to compile some questions, that is exam likely questions on this topic. All right, I think I have here about 17 questions, okay, 16 per se, and more questions are yet to be dropped. Please, as you are watching, do subscribe so that when I upload a new content, you will be notified by YouTube. Now let's get started. The first one says, which of these best expresses the cell cycle sequentially? Which of these best expresses the cell cycle sequentially? Is it A, is it B, is it C, or D? I love the way these options are. So do you think it's A, B, C, or D? Please, the answer is D. Gap 1, S, gap 2, and M. The answer is D. Number 2, which of these stages is characterized by preparation for mitosis? Which of these stages is characterized by preparation for mitosis? Is it the gap 1 phase? Is it the S phase? Is it the gap 2 phase or the M phase? Please, which of these stages is characterized by preparation for mitosis? The answer is gap 2 phase. All right, this phase prepares itself for what? Mitotic division. Number 3, that is characterized by growth and preparation of the chromosomes for replication. Dash is characterized by growth and replication of the chromosomes for replication. The answer is gap 1 phase. During the gap 1 phase of cell division, alright, there is growth and the chromosomes get prepared for duplication or for replication, as the case may be. So the answer is gap 1 phase. Number 4, synthesis of DNA and duplication of the centrosome occurs in the dash. Synthesis of DNA and duplication of the chromosomes of the centrosome occurs in the dash. Now, whenever you hear the word synthesis, that tells you it is the S phase. So the S phase is characterized by the synthesis of DNA and duplication of the centrosome. Okay, take note of that. Number 5, when a cell is in any phase of the cell cycle other than mitosis, it is often said to be dash. When a cell is in any phase of the cell cycle other than mitosis, it is often said to be in, is it metaphase, is it anaphase, is it interphase, is it prophase, or the telophase? The answer is interphase. Please, the interphase is also called the resting stage of the cell, in the sense that the chromosomes are not yet visible. They occur as thread-like structure called chromatins. All right, so the answer is interphase, and that is option C. Number 6, during dash, the chromosomes are not visible as distinct bodies, but as long chromatin thread. I think I just explained this. During dash, the chromosomes are not visible as distinct bodies, but as long chromatin threads. So the answer is interphase, as initially explained. All right. Number 7, duplication division is also termed dash. Duplication division is also termed dash. So what do you think the answer is? I'll leave you with this question. Duplication division is also termed dash. Okay, that is your assignment. All right, Just answer it on the comment section. Just drop it. Is it A, is it B, is it C, or D? Number 8, normally the genetic material in the nucleus is loosely bundled coiled called dash. Normally the genetic material in the nucleus is in loosely bundled coil called dash. It is what? Chromatin. All right, take note of that. A. At the onset of the dash condenses to form dash. Yes, at the onset of the prophase, the chromatin condenses to form chromosomes. Good. At the onset of the prophase, the chromatin condenses to form chromosome. So the answer is prophase slash chromatin slash chromosome. That is what C. Number 10. The chromosomes has two sister dash bound together by dash. The chromosome has two sister chromatid bound together by centromere. So the answer is chromatid slash centromere, and that happens to be option D, chromatids slash centromere. Please take note of these options. They are very confusing. Okay, please be careful while picking your answer. Very important. Number 11, the chromosomes are visible at high magnification through dash microscope. The chromosomes are visible at high magnification through, is it the electron microscope, is it the compound microscope, is it the light microscope, or the phosphorescence microscope? Of course, it is the light microscope. Take note of that. Dash is the coordinated center for the cell microtubule. Dash is the coordinated center for the cell microtubule. The answer is what? Centrio. Take note of that. Number 13. Which of these is the spindle fiber formed by polymerization soluble tubulin? Which of these is the spindle fiber formed by polymerization soluble tubulin? Please, during the prophase, the spindle fibers are formed via polymerization. Number 14, which of these is the longest phase? Which of these is the longest phase? Is it the metaphase? Is it the anaphase? Is it the interphase, the prophase, or the telophase? Please, the longest phase of cell division is the prophase. The prophase is the longest phase of cell division. Dash is characterized by the disappearance of the nucleus and nuclear membrane disintegration. Dash is characterized by the disappearance of the nucleus and the nuclear membrane disintegration. Please, during prophase, the nuclear membrane disintegrates and the nucleus disappears. But during telophase, the nucleus reappears and the nuclear membrane is what? Reformed. So please take note of that. The answer is the prophase. Prophase is characterized by the disappearance of the nucleus and nuclear membrane disintegration. Take note of that. Number 16, which happens to be the last one. During that, the chromosomes migrate to the central plane of the cell and arrange themselves round the equator of the spindle. Wow, I love this question. During dash, the chromosomes migrate to the central plane of the cell and arrange themselves around the equator of the spindle. Is it the metaphase? Is it anaphase? Is it interphase? Or the prophase? Please, during the metaphase, the chromosomes migrate to the central plane of the cell and arrange themselves around the equator of the spindle fiber. But during the anaphase, the pair of sister chromosome, they move apart towards what? Opposite pole. All right, one chromatid will move upward while the other chromatid will move downward. So they move in opposite direction in the equatorial what? Plane. Take note of that. I said the interphase is also known as what? The resting stage. So at this point, we'll call it a day. If you know you have learned something in today's video, please endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment so that when I upload new content, you will be notified by YouTube. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful day.